Hello guys, I am Tejas and do you guys know that AI algorithms can detect the disease, can diagnose the disease way better than most of the doctors do. So studies shows that AI algorithms can diagnose disease up to 94% of accuracy. AI algorithms can diagnose disease up to 94% of accuracy, that they are outperforming most of the doctors. Now we all know that AI algorithms, the AI sector, or we can say that tech sector, has evolved a lot, and we always talk about technology in only one sector, which is software and software development, engineering kind of. But the technology has another a big application in medical sector. So what is that application? So the technology like robotics, software, algorithm, like every kind of technology has a role in medical sector. So today in this video we are going to discuss that role of technology in medical sector. So the title of the video is going to be the AI in health sector, or technology in health sector. And yes, technology is a revolution, but we always think that technology is a revolution only in tech field or software development, engineering field. But it's not only up to that. Like technology is a revolution in medical field also. Like I will give you example. We always go to doctor and they call for checkups, like many checkups. They may be x-rays, MRIs, all the things contain machines, and machines, like they need a tech, they need a lot of technology. And today in this world of AI, I consider this world as I'm considering this century, like 21st century, as AI century. So nowadays, like AI has become a really fascinating thing. Everyone, most of the people fear, most of the people has fear about AI. Most of the people think AI as a new revolution, and yes, definitely AI is a revolution. We will see in this video that how AI has become revolution in health sector also. So like I will give you some examples. There was a news before 2-3 months that a lady suffered from breast cancer, but the AI algorithm detected that same breast cancer before happening of that cancer. Like the lady did some checkups, and she posted that checkup in some AI algorithm, and that AI algorithm detected that blood cancer before happening of that breast cancer before actual happening of that cancer. So what happened here is they detect the disease before that disease actually happened to them. So this is really fascinating thing. And currently in today there are lot of technology things, like lot of AI based things which are doing a great in health sector. And some of the AI, there are some doctors in world which are really skillful doctors. They are master of their work, they do surgeries and all by like super precision. But the cost of the charge of those doctors is really high. None of middle class or none of lower middle class or lower class can afford those doctors, and it's like impossible for them to get surgery or get assistant of those doctors who are really skillful. And today if we see in India, so currently we have lot of lack of doctors. Like if we consider ourselves with some of the developed countries like America, USA, UK, China, like they have a lot of lot of number of doctors. I will show you the graph. Let's see. They have a lot of doctors for some amount of people. Like for 100 people they have X amount of doctors, for 1000 people they have X amount of doctors. We don't really have, according to the WHO prescription, Like we need to have some amount of doctors, which I will show you, but we don't have that much doctors. So the moral of the this thing is, like, we really lack on number of doctors, and becoming doctor has become a really big thing, and we don't have that much infrastructure also in India. So it's better to adopt technology so that we can fulfill the necessary of we can fulfill the requirement of that those doctors. So in this thing we can get help of AI. Like there are some AI tools like DeepMind. This is tool from Google. This is the AI based tool called DeepMind. So this DeepMind tool can assist in diagnosis of many diseases. DeepMind can assist in diagnosis of cancer, heart attacks, and heart diseases, and all kind of things. So there are some such a powerful tools by such a reputed companies like Google and all, that they are that these tools are becoming really helpful for both the doctors and for patients also. There is also a tool and also one more application of Google one more application of Google DeepMind is that the Google DeepMind can detect eye disease before the happening of them, and Google DeepMind many permanent we can say that prevented from blindness. The Google DeepMind has prevented a lot of people from becoming blind. So like example, if you have early signs of some disease, or you have early signs of having some disease and all the things, then the Google DeepMind can already detect that. If you upload your whatever necessary things on that, so it can detect that disease before it actually happens, and so that we can prevent. Like we know that prevention is better than cure, so it's better to prevent the disease before it happens. So this is one of the tool called Google DeepMind from Google. And there are also tools like Zebra. There is an Israeli company called Zebra Medical Vision, and which can scan your documents. For example, we go to doctor, and doctor says to us ki do these kind of tests. So the tests might be X-ray tests, MRIs, CT scans, all these kind of tests. And this company called Zebra Medical Vision, this company can analyze those test papers with the help of AI algorithms, and this company can assist you diagnose the disease. This is like a really big application of AI in a health sector. Like you can imagine you are going to a doctor, and doctor said you to do these tests, and you get the report after, I think, one day or after some hours, and then you are taking that report and again going to a doctor, and doctor then read the report and suggest you the necessary things. But what if you just upload that report? Maybe that report might be X-ray report, that report might be CT scan, that report might be MRI. You just need to click the picture of that report, upload that report, like upload that report on the website or on the AI algorithm, and AI algorithm can detect the disease by just looking at a report. Like this is really time saving for doctors, for each and everyone. Like this can save time of patients, this can save time of doctors, this can fulfill the necessity of extra doctors in our country, and a lot of application of these things. So AI has become a really important in this 21st century. And like you might also saw some of the surgeries performed by robots, and robots perform a way better surgery than most of the doctors, I must say that. Like there are robots which can perform at more accuracy than a normal doctor can perform. Like, and we don't really bother about much blood loss. Like if some doctor is if understand listen that if you have some problem in your stomach and you if you go to doctor and doctor prescribes to cut your stomach and do whatever the necessary surgery is. So you need to cut your what kind of stomach you need, you not need to, doctor need to cut your stomach, and then he can cut your stomach and do whatever necessary. Then there is a lot of blood loss, there is a lot of pain and all the things. But if we do the same thing with the help of some robot, with the help of some robotic hand, or it might be anything, I will show you some pictures of that. And if it is like robot, then doctor don't need to cut a lot because robot has small arms. They might be small robots, there are a lot of robots which are really small and which can do more efficiently than doctor. So we need to cut a little bit and insert your robotic arm inside the stomach and do whatever necessary things are. So this is one of the biggest application of robotics also in health sector. And these things like technology is going to make health sector on a next level. Like health sector is currently, the health sector of the world is really bad. Like some cities has a really good health sector, but most of the cities don't have these kind of good, okay, that these kind of good infrastructure of. So there are some bots which are generated by some algorithm, and they help us, they help patient a lot. Like I will give you example. There is a bot called Babylon Health, there is a bot called Ada Health. These kind of bots help patient a lot. Like they can manage the schedule of they can manage health condition of patients. They can schedule the appointment of patient to the doctor. Like consider there is a bot, you all must you all I think that you all know about bots. And these are virtual, you can identify them as virtual people which are not real. So there are some bots which they treat themselves as a doctor. Like if you have any problem, then just go and chat to the bot, and the bot will answer you like what should you do next. There are some bots, if you consider, if you have some headache or any problem, like small it might be, then you go to the bot, just chat to the bot, and I have this problem, I am suffering from this time period, and that bot will give you a solution. That bot will give you a good solution for that particular event. Like it might be that bot might say you to consider a doctor for further treatment, or that bot might tell you just go to the medical shop and buy these tablets and you will be fine. So there are some chatbots which can be really important in I think the time ahead. And with the help of the AI algorithms and with the help of these things, like technology, we can personalize the medicine and treatment for individual person, for individual for individual patient. So with the help of these kind of technology, we can personalize the medicine. Like consider you have a headache. Like headache might be different for each and every people. Like some people can have headache in left side of their head, or right side of their head, above head, or whatever. Like everyone has some different problem. So but the most of the problems has just simple solutions. Like if you have some common thing, just you can prefer going to the medical shop and buying some normal tablets. Like there is a common tablet called like I will show you the name. So you just go to the medical shop and just buy the particular tablet and have that tablet, and you might feel better. But there is a good way of treating that problem. Like you can just identify that particular problem, and you can get a personal treatment. Like the treatment is only for you, it's not for everyone, like it's fully dedicated to you. And we can also do the treatment and also do the medicines in the same way. And AI can suggest patients about medicines also. Like consider, if you have any normal disease, or if you have any normal illness, you can just consult AI, or you can just consult a chatbot, and they can suggest you some medicines which you can have when you are in emergency, or when you don't have doctors around you. So this is also a good application of technology. And AI doing drug discovery, one of the biggest research, the like we know that in 2019 the COVID was around us. So the COVID was like a really big pandemic for us, and at that time we need to discover the vaccine of COVID-19. So AI doing drug discovery is also application. Like there are many drugs which are discovered by AI. Like we need to analyze each and every element of periodic table and all the things, and for the development of any kind of drug, for development of any kind of medicine. But just you need to grab two elements and put that data into some algorithm, and that algorithm can generate all possible outcomes of that. And this can help to get new medicines, new treatments for each and everyone. So all the things are I think the future ahead is going to be most of the time tech related. Like in health sector also there is a lot of tech, and I personally believe that the technology is going to boost the health sector also. So I tried to explain you some points of technology, some points of AI in health sector. I feel that you might get some knowledge about AI, or we can say that the application of AI in health sector, the all the necessary things, all the research papers, I will drop that. I will drop those in description box, so you don't need to worry about the authentication of any of the things I said. Like I will drop each and everything in description box. And there is like these all are perks of AI in health sector. There are also some cons, like, and cons are really dangerous. Like consider you are having a something algorithm, and you put all your data on that algorithm. Then the data privacy is one of the biggest problem we are going to face ahead. Like you have all your data online, and if someone hacked your data, if someone get to know about your data, then you are just a open book. That person can just know anything about you, everything about you, your diseases, your problems, your each and everything, because all of the things you have uploaded on internet, on, we can say that, on that algorithm, on that chatbot, and everything. So data privacy is one of the biggest concern of the tech revolution. So this is a really big problem, and if that data can, if that data has been hacked up by any other country, any other enemy country, then it can lead more than a nuclear war. Like nuclear war can just kill some portion of people, but this thing can kill like a nation. No doubt this thing can kill a nation. So the data privacy is one of the biggest concern of this thing. And if you can if you work about the data privacy on here, so this thing is really good. And there are also some questions about algorithm, that how is the success rate of the algorithm and all. But I feel that as we grow ahead, the each and everything will be stable, and all algorithms and all technological things will become stable, and they will provide you more knowledge than a doctor, because our memory, our brain has some, it people say that it doesn't it there is no limit of brain and all, but definitely most of the people has a limit of their brain capacity and all. But we have data, we have a lot of data, and we need to manage that data, we need to manage that data appropriately. So for this, like, I will consider to to stop the video, and I have a question for you. Like, I gave you the perks and cons of having AI, having robotics, having AI, robotics, and what, and chatbots and all the things in medical sector. So I have a question: would you trust an AI to make decisions about your health? Like, I have the question: would you trust an AI algorithm or someone which is artificial to take decisions about your life? Like, if if after some time someone launch some software, and where you can just upload your essential health related things, and they will suggest you all the things, would you kind of trust that algorithm? Would you trust that thing? So please comment below that if you trust algorithms and all, if you trust AI, that AI can take decisions of your life. Because in health sector, if you get any error, then error might cause a life. So it's really important to have more accuracy, because in health sector accuracy is everything. So on this note, I think I should stop here, and consider subscribing, because subscribers are important, and like the video if you think any of the point you like, or anything, like it might be a single point or anything. So if you feel that the video is informative, then consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And I would say thank you and Jai Hind. Bye bye.